Hello, I'm a sixth-year medical student and I've been coaching JAMB candidates for years, and I know the exact challenges you face. This includes not knowing exactly where to start from and being overwhelmed by the amount of things you are required to know for this exam, struggling to stay consistent and motivated, like to keep showing up every day, being confused about what material to use, finding it difficult to understand the materials or the concept you're meant to know, and forgetting things very easily. I mean, these are common problems we've seen, and I've created a simple solution that can actually help. I created a study WhatsApp group where you can have a simple study plan, especially when you don't know where to start from or what exactly to do. It's a simple study plan you can follow from today till the day of your exam, alongside a lot of other students. You can ask questions on the group, you can teach people on the group, you can have access to study materials that will help you prepare effectively for this exam, and you can always ask questions on the group on things that are concerning to you. And from my wealth of experience and knowledge of like coaching JAMB candidate, I can actually help you out in the process. But this is mostly student run and it requires a lot of hard work. It is not an easy fix. It is not a group that you join and automatically get the result. If you're not willing to put in hard work, please just stay away from this. Don't even bother come, because you're going to be taking someone else's slot because there's a limited slot for it. But if you know you are willing to work hard, the structure has already been created for you. All you need to do is to just take advantage of the structure and the information. And now here's the best part: you get a free access to the group when you get my book, which is step-by-step guide to scoring above 300 in the UTME. And this book is also something that is going to help you because it has helped candidates in the past years. It contains the simple and effective, tried and trusted techniques to actually score above 300 in the exam, like things you do from now that your exam is still far till your exam day. You could like open to relevant chapters on the book that are like important for the stage of preparation you are in, and a lot of students have used this book and found it really helpful. Like I've said before, it's for a limited slot. There are about 900 slots left and this offer is going to be gone forever. So if you're interested, do not waste time. Use the link in the description below or in the comment section to get the book and join the group, and I will see you in the class. Please like this video, share it with someone else that will find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.